This is the good part right here. You guys follow me? The fire pit, and it's ready to go. So on the side, we have the valve to reduce the fire right here. Customer is very happy for this part. It was simple to install it. We should have the right parts. Now we need the cold weather. It's a very cool place to have a good time with friends. Enjoy the afternoon, some fire and a little wine. Right here, this part, we just finished this arc. There's gonna be some vines hanging in there. And between, it's gonna be planting beds, like a little vegetable area here. So I have a picture in my mind. It's gonna be very good when everything's done. Another cool thing, we have a water feature here. Everything is hooked, but we have a water, you guys can see now, but coming weeks, it's gonna be ready. Fire water, all ready for nothing happen. Just enjoy the good backyard. I'm Eduardo, I'm a former guy, and I still learning a lot of things for Bay Maples. And I'm happy, I really love work for Bay Maples. Every single time, different projects. And I like building things with my hands all the time. So thank you to everybody for watching us.